Hi everyone, I'm Roland, Managing Partner of CoCoon Ignite Ventures, and I'm a proud mentor of 92 Express.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to our 92 Express series. Today we have invited Roland from CoCoon Ignite Ventures to share some investor tips with us. Hi Roland, how do you source deals and what do you look for?
Our job as venture capitalists is to study the market and identify trends that we think will come. So what we look for are opportunities based on our research. Now, of course, given our limited resources and limited time in the day, we can't have an understanding of everything that happens in the world or look at every single opportunity. So what ends up happening is VCs like ourselves identify certain categories that we think we understand very well, that we are networked very well in, and we are excited about. And based on those markets or verticals, we start looking at who is innovating in that space. But of course, that doesn't mean that we're not open to new ideas. I'm always very excited to learn from any entrepreneur to teach me something that I may not have realized or knew before. So even though majority of our time is actively looking at things that we think will become trends or will become valuable in the future, at the same time, we're also very open to be learning about new ideas and new opportunities.
Thank you, Roland. If you want to have a live chat with Roland, click the link at profile and join our 92 Express live session. If you want to pitch Roland, leave a comment. We will reach out to you. If you find the video useful, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.